Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression. We will practice what you learned before, technology words and why questions, with 3 exercises.
Great, Emma. I am ready to speak.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with clear rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you speak slowly and clearly with a short text. Finally, describe the picture helps you say simple sentences about what you see.
I like that. Short steps help me feel confident.
Perfect. Let's start with shadowing. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after each short phrase.
Okay, I will listen first and repeat.
My phone is here. This is my computer. The screen is big. I use a keyboard. The mouse is small. Where is my charger? Why is the laptop off? Because the battery is low. Why are the headphones here? They are for class. Why do you use a tablet? Because it is easy. Why does she need a camera? Because she takes photos. The printer is near the desk. The robot is funny. I don't use the phone now. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now we move to read aloud. Nexo will read first, and then you should pause the video and read aloud calmly.
I am ready to read. Every morning, I put my laptop on the small table. My phone is next to it, and my charger is in my bag. I ask myself, why is the screen dark? Then I remember the charger. I plug it in because I want to study English online.
Well done, Nexo. You did very well. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud.
Good luck, everyone.
Describe the picture. Great job, everyone. Now, describe the picture. Look at the image and describe what you see. Try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied. Nexo, you try first, and then it is the viewer's turn.
I will try with short, simple sentences. I can see a bright room with a desk. On the desk, there is a laptop, a computer screen, a keyboard, and a mouse. A phone and a tablet are near a blue charger. On the shelf, there is a small robot and a camera. A printer is under the desk, and headphones are on the chair. Why is the robot on the shelf? Because it is a decoration. That picture was nice to describe.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image in your own way. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. Computer. The computer is on the desk. Phone. The phone is near the tablet. Now you pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.